Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to construct a Pareto plot in MS Excel. To construct the Pareto plot, you have to arrange your data into two columns like this. In first column, you have to mention the categories in your data, and in the another column you have to mention the frequencies corresponding to each category in the data. For example, here in the example taken here, I want to construct a Pareto plot of the defects which occur in a process. So suppose there are 5 types of defects, defect A, B, C, D and E, which can occur in a process, and their corresponding frequencies are listed here. This is the collected data. Now to construct the Pareto plot, the way is that you select the entire data, go to insert, and then select this particular option here, which is statistical. Under this you will see option histogram. Select this one, which is Pareto. Once you click on it, the Pareto plot will be constructed. Now you can insert the title as per your requirement. You can play around with the options here, which are, for example, adding the axis titles and chart title. So that is how you construct a Pareto plot in MS Excel.